flag looks beautiful. Flapping in the wind. It's gonna be a good day. Here's what we're dealing with, guys. If you can see, they got the limited edition official treat there. A couple different ones. I got like the berry cherry. Of course, they got some really good ones to pick through, so it was really hard, but this one looks really good, the dirt pie. But that's it, the all-star official. And they always do such a good job here. Oh, they got it up here too. This is cool. Oh, they got the burgers too, I guess. Okay, that makes sense. Gonna have to find a park to eat it in. I want to kind of keep the baseball vibe. Maybe find a baseball diamond to eat it at. We'll see. Oh, look at that. Thank you so much. Alright guys, here's what we're dealing with. The berry cherry. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Alright, let's go find a park. Just got our blizzard. Oh my gosh, this looks so darn good too. Heck yeah. Yep, didn't make it too far. Plus it's melting. But I still want to sit down and share my thoughts about it. And I also wanted to show you guys something that's really cool on the Dairy Queen app. These old businesses here. In fact, this is where I got most of my baseball, you know, awards and plaques throughout the years. If you know, played any sports in Gresham, this is probably where you would have gotten your trophies made. A bunch of basketball guys there. A couple baseball ones. I still have mine from when I was a kid. This place has been here for a long time. I've always liked the unique structure of the building too. Alright, still got my blizzard, just getting here to the main city park. And I like the way this guy's mowed the lawn. Always reminds me of how they mow the baseball diamonds. I'm always so impressed whenever I see some of the stadiums, how they mow them. It's just precise. You can see where he didn't get that middle piece yet. But we're gonna walk over here and review the bit of this blizzard. And like I said, I wanted to show you guys something really cool that you can participate in if you're a baseball fan, or if you're not, even if you're just a fan of good ice cream. But apparently they have a burger, a couple different burgers as well, that are sponsored by the MLB. It's their first sponsorship with Dairy Queen, maybe any company, promotional fast food wise. I remember the little Dairy Queen Sundays back in the day, where you get the little different teams in the hats. I always like to show this too. No baseball today yet, maybe a game later, but we're just gonna kind of sit in the stands here for a second and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Best seats in the house, all by ourselves. Field's looking good. They've always taken nice care of this field. This is absolutely delicious. There's these huge chunks. Almost like a darker chocolate. Not quite dark chocolate and not quite milk. I think, I could be wrong, it tastes a little darker. And then of course the cherries, and it's got some little pieces of the cherry cordial. Oh my God, that is so good. Now, I was kind of disappointed because I thought I was going to get the official MLB cup. Like I said, you guys remember the little Sunday hats? You could get whatever team they were offering at the time and then get the Sunday put right in it. Yeah, these are incredibly good. And I want you guys to see what the app, it shows all the different flavors too for the lineup, including the burgers. But you can vote. And also there's some other cool things here I'll show you in a second. DQ All-Star Summer. Try the official treat and burger of the MLB. Only at Dairy Queen. And then there's a little video here. I'll let you guys actually visit the dairyqueen.com. But it says right here, DQ is teaming up with the MLB to bring you an all-star summer. And your all-star favorites are on the roster. The Blizzard's Treats, the DQ Signature Stack Burgers, Baseball Big Smiles, and more. The DQ All-Star Summer Auction opens May 16th at 9 a.m. Your chance to catch exclusive DQ swag, and all the benefits will precede the Children's Miracle Network. Hospitals and Dairy Queen will donate and match up to winning bids up to $5,000, and you can bid on a ton of MLB swag, which I will apparently it'll be like a Dairy Queen MLB mix collabo, so that'll be really cool. I'm excited to see that on the 16th at 9 a.m. and the MLB, the official site, has something on their site as well. So it looks like American Dairy Queen teams up with the MLB in the first sports league sponsorship. And that's all available on MLB.com. That was posted April 6, 2022. And that's on the official MLB website. That is so cool. So Saturdays you guys will be up and running.
Yeah.
If the field's dry.
If the field is playable, we're going to play.
And tonight.
And tonight, it's supposed to start raining about 4.
Okay, right? Well.
But we'll play in the rain. That's not the problem. It's the safety of the kids on the field that matters.
I always thought, you know, they've got like the pickles and the biscuits, and they need the Portland umbrellas.
Yeah.
You know, like, yeah, no kidding. But hey, you know what? I'm excited, and you guys have kept this field looking so nice over the years. And I played here as a kid, so.
You did.
Now, was this called JC Field? JC Park, or am I confused?
I think it was Main City, but
Main
it used
City.
to be Little League.
Yeah, that's.
And we switched. It's the same organization that went to the World Series in 2012. Same people.
That's right. That sign says that. I'm gonna go get that on there. That's cool.
Switched to Cal Ripken because there's more teams we can play. We can play interleague, and Little League makes you play just within your league.
So this is step up. I mean, this is what'd you say, Cal Ripken League?
Ripken. Yeah, it's still kids playing ball.
That is so cool.
Our 9U team won the state championship right here last year.
I see the banner there for 212 too.
Yeah, that
World
was,
Series.
World Series team.
Very cool. So now how, if they want to have, you know, they got kiddos or they just into baseball, how do they get, do you have social media, Gresham Little League?
Yeah, Gresham Barlow Youth Baseball.
Youth Baseball. I keep saying Little League.
Yeah, and we just started softball again this year. So it's Gresham Barlow Youth Baseball and Softball, gbybs.org. We're on Facebook.
Very cool.
And we actually open up for registrations in in December. So.
And you said the season will go a little longer because it'll run because of the weather and stuff.
We're going to extend at least 2 weeks. The
Very
kids
nice.
Need to get outside and play ball.
Heck yeah.
Ripped off for the last couple of years. So.
Well, thanks for sharing and keeping this looking so good.
Thank you.
I was telling them last time I did a little quick vlog on that placard of the Sylvester guy that pitched to last game to Babe Ruth.
Yeah.
And I said, you know, I could never hit it out of the park. But nowadays I could. No, I'm just kidding.
My oldest grandson hit a couple out.
Really? That's cool.
He's pitching for Gresham now.
Very nice. Oh, the Gray Wolves?
No, the high school.
Oh, the high school. Nice. It looks like a college now.
Yeah.
I'm going to go check out this banner.
Okay.
Hey, thanks for your info, bud. That's way nice of you. I appreciate you.
Play ball.
Play ball. We got this banner up here too that I vaguely noticed, but he pointed it out here. So now this is a step up. He said this was the Cal Ripken League, but if you see right up top there, 2012 World Series. That is awesome. Way cool. And that's gonna do it for today. If you guys are new here, make sure you hit that red subscribe button. You can ring that bell. That way when I creep, you guys will be the first to creep. And if you did enjoy this, give it a thumbs up. Till next time, creeper out for now. Peace.